Okay, here is the first thing that happens when you open the website. In this place, you are going to see your login. Now, because I'm logging, so in profile. So you click on login. Okay, let me use another website. Okay, this is another biosciences website. This is login. From here, you log in your username and password that has been given to you, and once this is done, you get to your dashboard. So first things first, you see submission. I'm going to quickly submit one journal so that we'll follow suit. So I will follow the method used. So this is submission, and this is new submission. So basically, from new submission, click on new submission. Now this is the article I am working on. Let me get an article to upload. You first select all the requirements, and now say save to continue. To bring the next page where it will ask you to upload your documents, the documents you want to So I'm actually getting my document now. This document. That's what I want to upload. I will select article. Then I'll save and continue. Now, this is where I want you to pay attention. Okay, I'm going to pause this video, change the so my document that I want to be uploaded, I will get it ready, open it, documents open. So from here I see my title, I see the title of the document, I put it, I get the abstract, I put it here. Okay, I added contributor. Okay, Nekamorin. Email address. The email has to be correct. If not, excuse me. The email must be correct. If not, it will not accept. Country Nigeria, and affiliation, maybe Namda Azikiwe University. It may not be necessary, or it will. Now, for the first author, you must select that this person is the author and this person is the principal author. That is how we know number one person that is the owner of the work. So you save this. You're going to save and enter as one of the contributors to the journal. This is where you see the person that you are the authors. This is what shows the authors. You can paste the references here if you want, and then you move to the next, save and continue. Now you finish submission, say okay. Now once you have done, this first stage is the stage that you are supposed to do with It's supposed to do with the person that is uploading, maybe author or whoever. This is the first stage that you will get to, and the editors and the people that are assigned to review your job, the reviewers, will take control from there. But because you are the journal manager, you proceed. The first stage we just concluded is the submission stage. So now that you are done with the submission, even the secretary to the journal management can be doing the submission with a different privilege, a lower privilege, account privilege. And after the submission, the person that is supposed to be a reviewer, editor, journal manager has another higher level of account privilege. And if your job is just to upload for people to review, you cannot get beyond this stage. But if you're a reviewer, you can log in and you see subjects that are assigned to you to review. This is a system that allows you for peer-to-peer review of your journal. So if you are not, because of our system, one person, after the thing has been reviewed outside the system and given us to upload, so one person as a journal manager has the account that permits him to run all these things at once. So I'm going to continue with review this submission so that I'll get on to the part. Now here, it's assumed that someone has been assigned to do this, or if nobody has been assigned, if you want the peer blind review to be in the system, you can go to this assign here and click on it, and it will bring out where you can assign a participant of any cadre that you want, maybe journal editor, author, to be a partaker. You can even search the person's name here and assign. You can search for the person and assign this journal for peer review. But because we're not going to do that, I'm just showing you what the system has. It's an advanced system. Because we're not going to do that, we're going to say accept and skip review. Because so if you want to send to review, then you're going to assign to somebody and send for somebody to review. That was the essence of you uploading that document at the initial start. So accept and skip review for a network. Accept and skip review. You can allow the person to receive message, that as in the author to receive message that your thing has been assigned to a reviewer, or you should remove the message aspect and go ahead and record the editorial decision so that you can proceed. Now it will move from that stage of the workflow stage of review, which was here, to copy editing, which is down here. We move from submission to review, and review moves to copy editing. If you want to assign it, you can assign it, or you go ahead and go to the next stage, send to production. Assuming you assigned it and something has been done on it and the person have uploaded it, you still can go ahead and now say send to production. Now if the person uploaded a different document that which he has reviewed, you can now decide to now select that particular document which he has reviewed to go to the production instead of the first one that was in the system. It allows you to do that. We're having network issues. Let me try again. Send to production. So here we are again to send to production. We perform the same action that we did earlier. Assuming we have several reviews, copies that have been done by previous reviewers, we will have them all stated here. From copy edit, from draft file, we all have them. Then we'll now select which one we want to go with. They will all have their dates so that you follow the approval dates. Record editorial decision, and it takes you to the next stage of the workflow, which is production. Now that everything is ready assuming there are other files that you need to place. If you also want to have full copy of all the files that have and the way they have gone through this the whole process, you can get them from here all at once. Download all files. Now, because we created an issue that we have not published already, we can decide to schedule the publication. It will now allow us to make final check of all the things we have done. I'll quickly go through them. The first one is title and abstract. Here you have your title, you have your abstract. The other one is contributors. Assuming you missed out a contributor, you can still put it in from here. The next one is metadata. This is where you put on the keywords that are from the main work itself. So I'll get the keywords and put keywords are auditors. You press enter so that it will accept auditors. You press enter so that it will enter. Capabilities, fraud detection. These are the keywords. Reference, if you want to paste reference. Galley, very important. Galley, these are the materials that you want to add to the materials you would like to add to the work. Okay, you can specify, for instance, what we want to add for download is in PDF. We specify the format of the galley first. We save it and it takes us to the next stage where we upload. Choose, is the galley, is it a data and set, is it a source, or does it have anything that is not here? Is it a research material that you want to add as galley? Is it an article text? In our case, it's article text that is in form of PDF. So we'll go again and upload our final article text that we want to upload as a galley. Continue. You can change the name here if you want. Continue. Then we are done. This one is permission. Then the last one is issue. Assuming we have a current issue, we created an issue that we hope to assign this to. So we can go ahead and assign it to the future issues, the back issues. Before we wrap up, I will show you very simply how to create issues. Now this is the current issue, but this one is the issue that is a future issue which we have not yet activated. So go ahead and save it into that. Say schedule for publication. Okay, so that is how to do it. But before then, let me unschedule and add the pages. This is cover page, this is for pages, this is date of publication. Date of publication, you can decide to put your date of you desire. You can even backdate from here if you want. The page numbers from the article, we get page 24 to 37. 24 to 37. And we now save the progress. It has been saved. So the last step is to schedule publication, which okay, so this is about it. Quickly, let us see how to create an issue, because for every new issue you must create an issue. So when you log in, you will see submission issues. Then go to issues. These are back issues, the ones that have been created before now. These are future issues. How did I get to this future issue? It already has 3 articles, which of which one of them that we put down is there. Once you are finished, assuming that this issue that is current, let us open this journal now. Let's open it in an incognito window. Find out that the current issue is the volume number 3, issue 3. That's the current issue. And why is it current? Because we've not yet hosted an issue. We haven't yet published the future issue we hosted. So assuming you want to get an issue, go to this place, called Great Issue, put the volume number and year, put the title of the issue, and you now save. That was how we got to this point, so that when you want to assign issue, it will bring out the option of the graded issue for you to assign. So now that we are done grading issue, and we have even assigned another up to three articles to it, we can decide to publish. We can send mails to those that are registered that we are publishing. Now it has published, it has disappeared from future issue and it has gone to back issue. So this is our current issue. If you come to the website now and you refresh, remember this one is volume 3, number 3. You refresh it, you'll find out that what we have now is the recent issue, which is volume 4, number 4, because we have already published it. Thank you. This is a short lecture that we intend to discuss more on it in class. Thank you.